Good morning and welcome to World Classic and Sports Car. Today we've got this 66 registered Mercedes SL400. It's a facelifted car finished in brilliant blue metallic with light grey upholstery. It's done 18,000 miles. It's a one owner car from new with some nice options which we'll show you as we walk around the car. First thing you notice on these facelifted cars is just a new grille there and a new front bumper and also these LED headlights. Fitted on the 19-inch alloy wheels. The car's in lovely condition and it's certainly in one of the best colour combinations you can wish for. Although these vehicles look very similar to the predecessor, there's some quite nice options on the vehicle. There's some nice changes which we'll point out as we go along. Okay, obviously the vehicle's got all the front and rear park sensors and everything. High spec car, be over £80,000 new. We'll start at the back. You see this new rear diffuser with the park sensors there. This vehicle's also got the optional reversing camera there. As we go into the boot, first thing you notice is the automatic retraction of the roof and the luggage cover. This vehicle has also got the power boot, carbon fibre boot there, and going down. Keyless entry, and it also has got the option of the soft closed doors. Let's look into the vehicle. Obviously memory seats, heated left and right. This lovely two-tone black and very light ivory upholstery. First thing you'll notice as we just panned in there, it's got the all-important air scarf for autumn motoring. And this vehicle has also got the illuminated Mercedes-Benz stainless steel sill trims. AMG floor mats there. The locking wheel bolts and the book pack and service histories with the car in there. We've got some more storage in the centre with a cup holder. As we go into the driver's side, first thing you'll notice is we've got the electric windbreak there. The vehicle has also got the optional clock, folding mirrors. Again, the condition is superb. The seats look like they've never been sat in. Obviously, low mileage car, 18,000 miles. We've also now got the push button start stop. 9-speed automatic. So the mileage there at the moment somewhere is 18,022. We've got the reversing camera, obviously DAB radio, telephone, navigation systems and the like. You can put all the four windows down there. And again, we've got heated seats there and the aforementioned air scarf. Very clean car, and have been smoked in. We've got the dynamic modes there for individuals. You will notice them change over on the sports exhaust perhaps. also the eco mode. Paddle shift, obviously cruise control, it's got lane keep, so nice combination, very nice car, good for the money these, great value, especially with nice options as this one. So if you are interested, please give us a call on 01507 606 725, or please visit the website wallsideclassics.co.uk for more information. Thank you.